Finding time to create videos often feels like an impossible goal. That's what my students tell me. How do you fit in video creation when you have so many other things taking up time in your day? Let's say you have a business, clients, employees, a family, volunteer positions. It may seem out of reach to make this type of commitment. In this video, I wanted to give you some different ways to think about time as it relates to creating videos so that you actually produce. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cheryl, the founder of Master Video Today and the Video Bootcamp, a comprehensive program that offers training, accountability, and support for video creators at all levels. In this channel, I share weekly strategies that can help you use video in your service-based business. I would love to hear about your video creation process. Let's all learn together and have a conversation about that in the comments below. I want to start this video with some mistakes you may be making. I've been shooting, editing, and creating videos for many years, and I wish these mistakes didn't trip me up, but they still do. Here they are. Shooting video takes longer than you think, and you probably are not allotting enough time to shoot all of the elements you need for the video, especially in the very beginning. If you're on camera, you need to shoot video of yourself, then B-roll, which is the video you'll use to illustrate what you're talking about in the video. You may need to set up tripods and lights and frame yourself correctly. All of this takes time. The second mistake is not realizing that editing video also takes longer than you think, especially in the beginning. Not only will you be analyzing everything you say on camera, but you have to edit down the parts you want to keep, and then you have to cover the video with B-roll. The third mistake, you always need more shots than you actually got. So you have to find footage. You need to reshoot footage, or you have to figure out how to get other footage that illustrates your points. Sometimes that means creating graphics. Sometimes it means taking pictures. All of it is extra time. Despite the heavy investment of time, especially in the beginning, I will say the results are worth it. Having a video you can share with clients, customers, even friends that explains what you do is powerful. Just know going in that some of these steps do take time. What can you do now? Successful video shoots are the result of great planning. Spend the bulk of your time in the planning stage, writing out scripts, figuring out what elements you'll need in your video. This is called storyboarding. Will you need graphics? What kind of shots will you need to get? Will there be music or other people talking in your video? Do you need a photographer? Well, I mentioned earlier that your shoots will take longer than you think. You can bet they will take time, especially in the very beginning. But once you get the hang of it, once you realize how things are run, it's important to then constrain your time and give yourself a time limit. I know this is a contradiction. Please hear me out. If you have planned well and you know the elements you need to get for your finished video and you actually shoot those pieces, then move on. You can always get a better take, but at some point you need to move on to other projects and do other things. If you give yourself an hour to shoot 4 videos, be done in an hour and move on. This is, of course, after you get all the other elements you need. Once you do a couple of shoots, you'll realize how much work it takes to get one done. So if you can batch your shoots, meaning if you can shoot 3 to 4 videos at one time in one sitting, you'll save yourself so much effort. You can get all of your videos for the month created at one time, which takes you back to step 1 and some great planning. Next, get an accountability system in place. Sometimes you need a little external push to get moving. Maybe you have a team to keep you on track. Maybe they will take some of the pieces of the video creation puzzle off of your plate, like shooting B-roll or editing. My students have told me they like having accountability buddies who can give them a call or a text, reminding them to actually sit down and do their video shoots. That push can be enough to get people moving. And once creators get started, they'll find their way to make their own systems and processes, and they're off to the races. Students in my video bootcamp are posting videos consistently and connecting with new clients, and now they always make time for video creation. Lastly, have a checklist before you start shooting, so you don't forget crucial steps. You can make your own, or you can use mine. You can get my video checklist at cheryltanmedia.com/video resources. To recap, focus on good planning before your shoot. Constrain your time, batch your shoots, create an accountability system for yourself, and then use a checklist. These are ways you can manage your time better so you create videos regularly. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please like this video or share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next video.